All right. Good afternoon, class. Um, Today is uh, the 17th of March, and so I'm not going to do a news broadcast every day, but I just thought I would do one today because there's some new stuff um, that I wanted to talk about. So the first thing is, hi, Mom. I gave my mom my YouTube channel, and she's on the remind, so she might be watching this right now. So if you're watching, hi, Mom. Um, so that's the first thing. Um, the second thing is I wanted to give some class status updates. So the daily items. Um, I've posted the daily items for the first week for all the classes. Um, and um, the other thing I wanted to say is I got the question yesterday that um, do we have to submit an answer to the daily items? And the answer is no. You don't have to write anything down. You don't have to send anything to me. Just try the daily items, and if you can get it, great. If you can't, don't worry about it. Oh, my mom says she's watching. Hi. um, so I'm not checking the daily items. If you want the answers to the daily items, talk to me during the discussion afterwards. Okay. Second thing is I said in the news yesterday that I was going to be monitoring Discord, but actually I figured out it's easier to monitor the YouTube live chat. So if you're watching live and you have a question for me, put it in the live chat. If you just want to say hello, put that in the live chat too, and maybe I'll give you a shout out. Next thing, I'm looking for 6 volunteers so the volunteers, I'm looking for people to kind of like one person for each class period to just kind of monitor the responses, the homework responses. And so if you volunteer, I would send you a roster for one of my 6 classes, and you would basically just be checking to see who's participating and who isn't, and just send me like a report every week. So it would be maybe 15 minutes of time per week. So send me a DM if you're interested. I also wanted to ask you guys to reach out to anyone who you know who is not able to participate yet. So if you know someone who's in my class who's not accessing the course content, make sure you try to pull them in. Okay, let's see. Hi, Ethan. Hi, Will. I'm not sure who Scorched Ice is, but hi, Scorched Ice. Hi, Astro Sloth. Hi, Rourke. And yes, Lego Crafter, you can go to the bathroom. All right, so one of the things I wanted to say is the teachers were talking, and they were saying that it's really good for people to have a schedule. So, structure is good for everyone. So I just wanted to share my schedule with you guys. So what am I planning to do every day? So I'm planning to wake up at a reasonable hour, eat breakfast. Then I'm going to walk the dogs. Then I'm going to exercise. Then I'm going to prep and grade. Then I'm going to roll into my lessons. So that's going to happen around this time every day, I think. After the lessons, we'll do the discussion. Then I'll probably have some adult duties to do, like cleaning dishes and stuff like that. Then I'm going to have dinner, and then I'm going to have fun. So I don't know. Maybe your schedule is going to look different from that, but I encourage you to think about a schedule to kind of structure your life so you're not just getting nothing done. I wanted to share with you a couple of ideas that I had. I had some ideas about maybe having a guest host in the future. Maybe it'll be Bug or Hazel, or maybe someone can hack my stream and do a guest lesson. I was thinking about maybe doing a meme review once a week. If you have, maybe we can set up a meme channel on Discord, and I'll review some of them at the end of the week. I thought maybe it would be fun to do a group exercise session. So I don't know, we could all watch a yoga video or something like that and do yoga together. And then also, I was trying to go live on mobile, but I couldn't. So I don't know if you know how to go live, do YouTube live via mobile. Send me a DM. Oh, I see. Meme review got a lot of stuff. Okay. Yes. Okay. Caitlin wants a meme review. So does Charlie. So we'll try to make that happen. I just wanted to philosophize a little bit. And you might be asking, what does philosophize mean? So let me see. I'm learning here, so I think that you can see my computer screen now. And so let's look it up. Philosophize. Philosophize. So to philosophize means to speculate or theorize about fundamental or serious issues. So anyways, I'm going to philosophize right now. And I was thinking about it. And I'm going to go back to the regular screen. I was thinking about it, and I was just thinking, this is your guys' opportunity to prove that you can teach yourselves the content. I'm guessing that during this time, you're going to get less homework from your teachers. You're probably going to have shorter lessons from your teachers. And if you guys prove that you can learn just as effectively, then I would say the chances are when we go back into in-person classes, you're going to get less work. And similarly, if I prove that I can teach you as effectively via this method, I'm expecting that this is going to take me less time per day by a couple of hours. So if I can prove that I can teach you just as effectively with less time, then when we all get back together, this is going to be better for everyone. We're going to have, we can all just do less work. If we prove that this is just as effective as going to school for 8 hours per day, then maybe we won't have to go to school for 8 hours per day. Anyways, so that was what I was thinking about this morning. All right, so I'm going to roll into the AP Physics 1 lesson, and I'll be back in about 5 minutes. So thank you for joining me.